Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this portable lavalier microphone for your smartphone. As you can see, here is a part that actually goes into your smartphone. You got a lightning connector and you got a USB-C connector for newer phones or Android phones. And then here is the port to go ahead and charge it. This is like a multi-function button, and it also has a little audio jack right here so you can listen to your voice as you're talking. The nice thing is you've got these little metal connectors on the bottom. You've also got them on the bottom of these microphones here, and that allows you to charge wirelessly in this case. And this case you can just charge with USB-C, but you can also charge these all up with USB-C using the included cable. Here's a microphone, that's where the audio will come through. Then you've got this mode button, you've got a power button right there to turn them on, and then you've got a clip, of course, very important to clip it to your shirt while you're talking. So it's got a receiver, 2 microphones, pretty much everything you need to get started for videography on your smartphone. I really like this case design here. The components just pop inside super easily like so. And this just allows you to go ahead and take them wherever you want, as you can see charging right now, and just bring it along like. Now let's take a look. As you can see, it is plugged in here to the phone. You got that blue light on, and you've also got the blue light on the microphone on my neck here. And this is a test of the sound quality. It was super easy to connect. All I had to do was just power this thing up by holding down this button, and also hold down the power button on here, and then it blinks, and then it goes solid once it is all connected. So as you can see, looks pretty sleek and stylish, doesn't really stand out, especially if you're wearing a black shirt, and the sound quality is very great. Overall, I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.